So we'll be installing an RB component slider screen today. First step is going to be marking the gasket so we know where to put it back. It will stretch out when you go to put the gasket back on, so a couple marks letting you know where it goes back is helpful. You can choose wherever you put your marks, just pick a body line or something that's not going to move compared to the gasket. As you can see, I put 2 marks here on the gasket, kind of lined up with these bolts. I did it again up here, one in the corner, one in the center, corner, and again over here. Just reference to where the gasket goes, it will stretch out. So here we have the border for the screen. We have some large paper clips that we're going to clip it up while we tuck it into the gasket. So what you do is you pull the gasket down, fold the screen over the pinch wheel, and just simply put the gasket back on. Check your marks as you go back on. The farther you get away from the top, the easier it becomes. So on vehicles like this where you have a counter and it's sealed to the gasket, the RB components has a little notch where you're not going to tuck it in. So right there. Other than that, just continue on as you were, finishing up, tucking it into the gasket. Alright, so final step is we're going to zip the actual screen material to the border. Now you just zip it all together.